Welcome to Fluid Mechanics quiz number 3. First one, when the fluid is at rest, the shear stress is dash. The force exerted by a static fluid on a vertical, horizontal or an inclined plane immersed surface capital F equal to dash, where rho equal to density of the fluid, capital A equal to area of the immersed surface, and h bar equal to depth of the center of gravity of the immersed surface from free surface of the liquid. Third one, dash is defined as the point of application of the resultant pressure. Fourth one, the depth of center of pressure of an immersed surface from free surface of the liquid, while H star equal to Ig by capital A H bar plus H bar for dash immersed surface. Next one, H star equal to Ig sin square theta divided by capital A H bar plus H bar for dash immersed surface. Fifth one, the center of pressure for a plane dash lies at a depth of 2/3 the height of the immersed surface. Sixth one, the total force on a curved surface is given by capital F equal to dash. Seventh one, the inclination of the dash on curved surface with horizontal tan theta equal to capital Fy divided by Fx. And then number 8, the dash on a sluice gate capital F equal to F1 minus F2, where F1 equal to pressure force on the upstream side of the sluice gate and F2 equal to pressure force on the downstream side of the sluice gate. Ninth one, for a lock gate, the reaction between the two gates is equal to the reaction at the hinge capital R equal to P. Also, the reaction between the two gates capital P equal to dash, where F equal to resultant water pressure on the lock gate, that is F1 minus F2, and theta inclination of the gate with the normal to the side of the lock. First one, answer is 0. Second one, capital F equal to rho G capital A into H bar. Third one, center of pressure. Fourth one, for vertically immersed surface. Another one is for inclined immersed surface. Fifth one, answer is vertical surface. Sixth one, capital F equal to root of Fx square plus Fy square. Seventh one, answer is resultant force. Eighth one is answer is resultant force. Ninth one, the answer is P equal to capital F divided by 2 sin theta. In this quiz, or you got 9 out of 9 means you are a winner. Congratulations. If you got less than 9 marks, you are a runner. Try to study well. All the best.